Hyundai's available Highway Drive Assist system adds features to the Smart Cruise Control system to make long highway drives easier to manage. While on a highway, Smart Cruise Control allows you to program the vehicle to help maintain the desired speed and minimum safe distance between yourself and the vehicle ahead. Highway Drive Assist, or HDA, builds on this capability by also acting to keep your vehicle centered in its lane. In addition, Highway Drive Assist can sense when your vehicle is on certain controlled access roads in the U.S., such as interstate highways. To activate HDA, press the Setup button on the dash. Now go to the touchscreen and select Vehicle, then Driver Assistance, then Driving Assist. Select or unselect the Highway Driving Assist box to activate or deactivate the system. To use HDA, first turn on the Engage Smart Cruise Control. While driving with Smart Cruise Control on, the SCC icon in the instrument cluster will change to the HDA icon. This lets you know that the system is in the enabled state. Highway Driving Assist only works if Smart Cruise Control is engaged. The vehicle is driving on a road that is part of the interstate highway system. Vehicle speed is under 95 miles per hour. If all these conditions are satisfied, the cruise display in the cluster will change to HDA. If both lane markers are detected, the system will provide steering assist to help keep the vehicle within the lane. When this happens, the LFA symbol in the instrument cluster changes from white to green. If you take your hands off the steering wheel for several seconds while the HDA system is activated, the system will warn you with the message, "Keep hands on steering wheel." Note that if the steering wheel is held with a light grip, the message may appear because the HDA system may not recognize that you have your hands on the steering wheel. After the warning, if the system still doesn't recognize that your hands are on the steering wheel, the HDA system will be canceled. However, if the Smart Cruise Control is manually reactivated, the Highway Driving Assist system will also reactivate. HDA can also automatically control speed to match the speed limit of the highway. For this to happen, the HDA system must be enabled and the vehicle's set speed must be the same as the posted highway speed limit. If these conditions are satisfied, the auto symbol will turn green along with the set speed in the cluster, and a chime will sound. This notifies you that the vehicle is in automatic speed mode. The vehicle will now match your vehicle speed to the speed limit of the road. If you manually change your speed away from the posted speed limit, the auto symbol will disappear, and the set speed in the cluster will turn white. Highway Driving Assist may not fully function in bad road conditions or in certain weather conditions. For a full list of circumstances in which the systems may not be active, see your owner's manual. While Highway Drive Assist may provide assistance, it is not in control of your vehicle. You are. Always keep in mind that safe driving is your responsibility.